Here is my kitchen. There's my sister's pie. Here's my dining room, decorated for Christmas. There's kids' art. There's my KitchenAid mixer. Here's my two-tier cookie rack with my pumpkin cookies with caramel panache frosting. Here's my living room. There's some books over there. There's some books right there. Babies. There is my bedroom back here. Close. There's the bed. Close. Books. My guitar. Books. Oh, and here is my dirt pile. I saved it for you. Well, here we go. That's your moment of zen for the day.